In this example, we are looking at a 3-line system on a 25-foot center. The lines are 6 feet apart with a 13-foot tractor road. Williams banana plants are spaced 7 foot in line. The result is 745 plants or production units per acre. The open field is measured and flagged. Row lines are cut and planting holes created with hand tools. Healthy banana suckers or field-ready tissue culture plants are planted. Plant suckers directly into planting holes in a field. Suckers begin to form new roots within days after planting. Leaves emerge from suckers within 7 to 10 days. The survival rate of suckers is about 90 to 100% if they are sufficiently irrigated and fertilized and are free of serious diseases. Bananas are susceptible to a wide range of pests and diseases. A few of them are serious threats to bananas in Hawaii. Some pests and diseases are very contagious and are easily spread. Once established, they are persistent and practically impossible to eradicate. In general, the severity and occurrence of pest outbreaks and plant damage depends on several factors: the environmental conditions, the banana variety, and the specific disease or pest. Wet, rainy environments favor fungal and bacterial diseases. Dry weather or climate favors many types of insect outbreaks such as mites, thrips, and aphids. Some pests, such as scab moths, can cause damage during all types of weather in Hawaii. The highly contagious nature of some diseases mean that many or most plants in a region may become infected by a given pathogen. Although most banana varieties are susceptible to certain severe diseases, some varieties are far more sensitive than others. For example, fusarium wilt is a fungal disease responsible for destroying many commercial plantations of the once popular and widely grown variety Gros Michel or Bluefield in Hawaii. With regard to banana bunchy top virus, which has now spread throughout Southeast Asia and much of the Pacific, the most susceptible varieties are in the Cavendish subgroup: Chinese, Williams, Grand Nain. Insect pests of banana can cause significant damage to fruits and can greatly reduce their marketability. The important banana pests include aphids, ants, thrips, moths, and caterpillars, scales, corm weevils, and mites. Banana aphids are found wherever bananas are grown. The banana aphid is a significant pest of banana due to its ability to transmit banana bunchy top virus. Banana aphid populations are often tended by ant species. Aphid excretion of honeydew provides a nutritional and physical substrate for sooty mold fungi, which may diminish fruit quality and physically block photosynthesis. The banana weevil can be very damaging to commercial and home growers. The larvae bore into corms, suckers, and roots. Extensive root destruction is possible and may cause diminished plant growth and yield. Premature toppling of plants and plant death of young plants can occur. A night feeder, the borer can be monitored and trapped by baiting the field with split sections of banana pseudostem. Peel the rhizomes free of lesions and immerse in hot water at 129 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Also, a 10% household bleach solution treatment is useful for disinfecting corms. Cover pruning scars on production plants with soil. Do not cover scars from pruned water suckers as they attract the weevils to non-production corms. The banana skipper rolls up banana leaves starting from the leaf margin. Due to the effective biological control of the banana skipper in some locations, chemical treatments are uncommon and largely unnecessary. The banana skipper can be controlled effectively in some locations with naturally occurring biological control insect species or parasitic wasps. The sugarcane bud moth caterpillar is a localized pest that feeds on decaying flowers and causes fruit scarring. The banana moth lays eggs on senescing flowers and on decaying leaves, pseudostems, or fruit. The larvae feed on detritus and decaying plant material. Scales are sap-feeding insects that attack banana leaves and fruits. The coconut scale causes a localized discoloration and yellowing of plant tissue. It is a significant quarantine pest for banana fruits shipped from the Pacific, Hawaii, and to the U.S. mainland. Thrips can scar, stain, or deform banana fruits by feeding on the fruit skin. They also cause scarring during egg laying. Thrips are small, winged insects that feed on banana flowers and/or the tender green skin of developing fruits. The feeding site and thrip species determine the type and extent of fruit damage. Thrips outbreaks can occur during periods of dry weather. Wild birds, bats, and rodents not only feed on banana fruits, but often construct nests within the bunch. Rats can be a serious problem for islanders dependent on bananas. Therefore, bananas should be harvested just before or at the first sign of rat damage. A specified number of hands are allowed to remain on the bunch. The rest are trimmed, with 5 to 6 inches of stem left behind. Sometimes a single finger is allowed to remain below the lowest full hand. As hands mature, remove flowers from the ends of the fingers. When a bunch emerges from a banana plant, spray it with a mild insecticide once per week until it is ready to be covered with a perforated polyethylene sleeve. Now the bunch is ready to cover. Tie a string tightly around the stem about 12 inches above the top hand. Attach a colored ribbon to the bottom for inventory purposes. Bunches with the same colored ribbons are harvested in the same week because they represent the same stage of bunch maturity. This allows consistent forced ripening of all fruits and uniform fruit size. Diseases are major production constraints wherever bananas are grown. The most significant diseases of banana in Hawaii and the Pacific are black leaf streak, caused by the fungus Mycosphaerella fijiensis, banana bunchy top, a viral disease caused by the banana bunchy top virus, and fusarium wilt, caused by the rhesus of fungus Fusarium oxysporum.